Hi everyone, how are you? Today we talk about System.io. What is System.io? System.io is a single platform with a suite of tools that allows you to build sales funnel, email marketing, manage affiliate programs, online courses, website builder, marketing automations, and many more. We'll find many more tools like System.io, but I think it is easier and more helpful than others. It is not only my opinion, it is also experts' opinion. You can see System.io's homepage. Check the description link and visit System.io's homepage. The easiest and fastest way to grow your online business. I will tell you what you get on this platform. You need to create an account and you can start for free. I have already created my account, so I just sign in. It is very simple, and just click here, then submit your email and create a password. After creating an account, you found this dashboard. It is very simple and user friendly, and it is your menu. It is drop down menu. If you found your options, you just click here and it is your it is your options, and upgrade your account, dashboard, contacts, funnels, emails, blog, automations, product sales, help. Okay, you can you upgrade your account. If you want to upgrade your account, just click here, and it is your plan. If you choose if you want to choose any plan for your business, and they provide many things, and the first one is free, and they provide many things for free. And I suggest you, if you are beginner, or if you are first time to here, you can choose the free plans, and after some days you can choose the startup plans. Okay, don't worry, I will discuss about everything System.io day by day. And thank you for watching. Happy learning.